Last video, then you know that I gave a huge warning to all Bitcoin holders. This is a huge warning to all Bitcoin holders, as right now the charts are telling us we could be primed for a huge move down. And I hate to say I told you so, but you know, I told you so. And over the weekend, exactly as we predicted, our daily time frame cheat sheet entry, which is right over here, if you don't know what that is, go back and watch the last video, is absolutely playing out, and we are heading to the downside. Now, what can we expect moving forward? If I pull up my scalp zones, these are the current levels that I'm looking at for my next trade. And by the way, guys, on that topic, make sure you join the Discord, because I do give these levels in advance, and I give real-time updates on my Discord as to whether or not I'm taking the trades. And as you can see, even though we did have a big move down, we did manage to scalp a couple longs, and we gave those updates in the VIP Discord. Now, if you want to join the VIP Discord, all you got to do is join the Discord, DM my bot the 4-digit code that you hear within this video, and then you will have access to all my key levels and my Discord live streams. With that being said, the first digit is going to be a 4. The markets don't just move up or down straight. As you can see, they do go up and down, and right now we are starting to get somewhat of a bounce off the point of control. However, I am looking for a more long-term potential swing trade down at the 25.5 to 25.8 level. The number one rule in trading is not to make money, believe it or not. It is actually to protect your capital. The number one rule is to not lose money. So the moment you focus on making money is the moment that you will lose. That is why it is very important to learn the game of trading, and that is why we do not FOMO trade. We wait for price to come to our levels, and we look for our confirmation. The analogy I love to use when it comes to trading is LeBron James. Now, LeBron James did not learn how to play basketball so that he could become a millionaire. He became a millionaire because he knew how to play basketball. And this is a very important analogy to make when you're learning how to trade. If you focus on the money, I can tell you with 100% certainty, you will lose. Now, why am I looking at this zone, and how did I come up with this zone? Well, you could see all of my abbreviations here stand for weekly plus value area low plus SFP plus golden pocket plus liquidations. The reason I like this zone is because based on volume theory, if price breaks below the value area low, for example, and gets accepted back in, it is very probable that it makes its way to the value area high, and vice versa. Look at this point here. We broke out of the value area high, came back to test it, failed to hold it as support, and made our way back down to the value area low. So now what I would like to see on the 4-hour time frame is something called a bullish divergence, which is where your oscillator, market cipher B, is making a higher high while price is making a lower low. And what that means is that we are due for a correction. These waves indicate momentum. If momentum is coming to the upside, but price is coming to the downside, then we are very likely to have somewhat of a correction. The next digit for the VIP code is going to be a 7. I just want to preface by saying, although this is a zone, we do not take the trade unless we see the confirmations that we're looking for on market cipher B. Yes, we may be able to take a couple scalps here and there when we're not in our major zones, no problem. But we have to understand that those are just scalp trades. In other words, they are in and out trades, and you cannot expect to hold it back up to 28, 29, 30K. With that being said, I want to bring your attention now to this zone here. There is a chance for us to break below the value area low and be unable to hold it as support. What do we know about vector candles? We know that vector candles are the market maker's liquidity. In my next video, I will talk about this so you can understand it more fully, but I do have a complete hour-and-a-half tutorial on vector candles. So we know that vector candles are liquidity, and this zone coincides perfectly with the bottom of the vector candle, which can be liquidity. In addition to that, we do have a higher time frame order blocks down here. So it is potential that we make our way back down to the 25K region before getting a significant bounce to the upside. We do have confluence with our vector candles across multiple time frames. They're present on the daily, they're present on the 12-hour, on the 8-hour, on the 4-hour. So this gives us extra confluence and extra assurance that we can expect to make our way down to that zone before getting a significant bounce. Now, of course, it's not 100%. It's up to what the market makers feel like doing that day or that week. However, it is irresponsible of us to not be aware that they can come and take that. We do not long the zone unless we see the confirmations, and we definitely, even if we choose to long the zone, we must make sure that price can come down to this level. We cannot be ignorant to the fact that there are vector candles here, there's liquidity here that the market maker can come and grab, and in my opinion, we haven't had a significant enough bleed yet to rule this option out. Now, guys, I gave you these updated levels today, and of course, as always, I will give you real-time updates in my VIP Discord based on what I think is going to happen next. I take multiple trades, I scalp trade, I swing trade, and I have tutorials on really how to trade as a whole, so you can learn how to do this yourself. Make sure you join the community. We got a lot of good traders. We have over 800 people in the Discord now, which is crazy to see how far we've come, so I thank you for that. But we got a great community, and it's important to not trade alone, so make sure you join by hitting the link down below. And guys, if you're looking for an exchange to trade crypto on, Mexi has the cheapest fees across the board. It is a 0.00% maker fee, 0.01% taker fee. What does that mean? That essentially means that you're going to be paying very, very small amounts of fees based on your position sizes. So you can join by using my referral code 1IHOH, or you can scan the barcode, or you can click the link in the description. And is another way to support me for free, so I really appreciate it. And guys, when you sign up with my referral code, you do get a few deposit bonuses, and why would you not want free money? So, and guys, that's it for today's quick market update. As I mentioned, the cheat sheet entry is playing out exactly as we predicted. So far, we are up, give or take, or actually I should say down, not up. We are currently down 5%. I do think that we can see a little bit more red in the markets, and by a little bit I mean a lot more, but of course I will be giving you guys my updates as consistently as I can. So please make sure to like, please make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get these timely updates. And the most important thing I can say, guys, is join the Discord. I give you guys a lot of free value. Everything I do is for free, so make sure you join the Discord. Make sure you join the VIP Discord using the codes that you heard in this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy trading.